Hi, in this video I want to talk about whether AI image generator or video generator will be replacing these type of technology, a traditional mirrorless camera or a smartphone. And the answer, of course, is no, with exception to a few things. Let's talk about right now. Alright, so with the innovation of AI, such as image generator and video generator, they have come a long way in the year 2025, and I'm sure it will continue on to improve over time, to the point where you can actually generate videos, maybe 10 to 30 second video by just entering the prompts, and you get almost exactly what you want. The question is whether this is going to be replacing a traditional video camera like these mirrorless portable camera in the near future. The answer is no. It depends on how you film and how you use the media, whether it's for YouTube or some short films, whatever it may be. The reason for that is, as a human, we still want the real thing. We do not want an AI. Now, some people can argue, oh, you can make things like, so real that you can't tell the difference. That is true. However, the technique in preparing to film or to take picture of an image that is surrounding you, as a photographer, as a videographer, will know this, is that you can actually feel the environment surrounding you. There is a process that's involved that is not just typing the prompts and you get your image or get your video. It is the preparation before, during, and after that makes you connect to your content or your media that you're trying to produce. For example, if I'm taking a picture with my smartphone or my camera, I'm looking at my environment, and in my head I am remembering and trying to decide what image to put in that setting. And so I know exactly how to make it look authentic. And by putting the central image that I want in the frame and then the surrounding, there is a purpose, there is a sense of organization that you design that image to be. There's a sense of purpose in that image, and you put an effort into how you arrange them. I don't know how to exactly describe it, but it is feel like you are part of that scene, even though you're filming it or you're taking a picture of it. It is a sense of belonging in some way when you're taking a picture. Whereas, with AI, you type in the prompt and you think you're creating something, but it's actually something else comes out of it. Even though you may think it's exactly what you imagined, but it's not exactly, because it is almost like the AI technology is trying to feed you that information and you say, oh yeah, that's the one. But really, it's not the same as going out there and grabbing your camera and you take the picture, right, like this, and you decide where to take it and what image you want to be involved in. Sometimes it is random, right, creative, but even in that sense, you feel that you have a bit more control on how you're going to set up that image, whether it's videography or image. Now, obviously, there are certain situations where AI is going to be more superior than your phone or your camera. And what I mean by that is, let's say you want to create an environment that is surreal, like something that's almost not possible in the real world, or you cannot be there, right? Let's say you want to film some exotic places and you cannot be there. Well, what you could do, of course, is generate a video of that place, but you can also green screen your video with actual camera. I think that would be better instead of generating the whole thing with AI, which I feel is very aesthetically not very pleasing. For some reason, when I look at video from AI, you can see a pattern of some repetitiveness. It's almost, I can't describe it, it's like unreal artificial. Whereas if you combine AI, let's say background image or scene, with the actual video, like you green screen it, then there's some, you know, involvement of controlling the main composition and using other as a special effects. So really AI is good for special effects, but the actual image itself for your audience to connect to need to be real. Like for example, actually taking from your smartphone or a camera itself. I think that's what's happening to a lot of people now. AI is still going to be used for sure in the future, and maybe more, but mainly for special effects and to add on you know, things that cannot be done or accomplished using these technology. However, for authenticity, cameras for recording videos or images or taking pictures is still going to be a natural human touch to every type of image, whether it's moving images or whether it is a static image like photography. I think that is the way to go, and it's a good thing. We have all these tools in our handbags, or you could say in our computers, that we have access to, and that's a good thing, and we can even be more creative. So think about all the tools you have. Now I've been seeing a lot of Facebook and how they just use a smartphone, and with special effects, you know, video editing, whether it's DaVinci, whether it's Premiere, and then they add a bit of AI to it, and it makes it even more professional looking. So yes, AI and improvement in the video software or photography software, this will continue on to make our photography and video filming better and better each time. And so I'm looking forward to, yes, having AI incorporated, but not as the main thing, but as a special effects. So that's what my take is. AI will stay, but it will not be the main thing. Now, unless of course you're creating something that for video gaming, virtual worlds, where, you know, it doesn't matter, you know, people are engaging in some simulation, that's fine. But when you're talking about something that is human, that you can actually relate to, you will see the difference between AI motivated image or video versus someone who actually put their effort into it. It's not just the image itself, it's the way it's done, and you can see it when it's completed. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a little heart of appreciation. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.